Ketchum, Sun Valley, 30th of June. This is going to be like a 2,500 foot climb. And Two Wolves is all by herself. And Two Wolves doesn't like heights very well. Oh. But now, okay, now you're going to see bikes. These people are riding their bikes up Bald Mountain. Riding their bikes up Bald Mountain. Watch this. There's also a bike race down Bald Mountain. You see them? There they are. That might not be as scary as riding the gondola up. Gondola. It's incredibly beautiful. Breathe. There's an international bike race festival going on for the next 10 days here in Ketchum, and I'll put some liner notes about that. The race tomorrow is from the top of Bald Mountain. Well, they'll take their bikes up on the gondola and ride all over really, really rough. Oh, I should have caught that. It's people coming down. Really, really rough terrain, world class, gnarly. And then they will end up on the other side of Bald Mountain at Warm Springs. There's another race in which they're going to be riding up the mountain. It's part of the cross country. There's a paraglider. Oh, wow. Okay. This is world-class video. There's some people behind me. It's kind of scary. But down below, you see Ketchum, and then Sun Valley, Elkhorn in the far distance. That's a golf course. And we're looking sort of south. Okay? We're still not there. If we make it to the top, I'll do another video